Hi, this is GATE 2011 question related to analog electronics. The topic is operational amplifier. So let's going to see how to solve the problem. A circuit below implements a filter between the input current I1 and output voltage V0. Assume that op-amp is ideal. The filter implemented is. So this is operational amplifier is infinity, is ideal means so input impedance is infinity and open loop gain is also infinity. So because of that we are exhibiting a virtual ground concept. V plus is equal to V minus. What is virtual ground is nothing but the voltage at this node is equal to voltage at this, the potential drop at this point is equal. V0 is equal to V minus, that we know. And one more important condition is input resistance is infinity. So the current I is flowing through this loop, not into the operational amplifier because of high input resistance. So the effective impedance, so this is the parallel loop. The L1 is connecting in parallel with the R1 in a feedback loop. So the effective impedance is nothing but reactance caused by L1 and R1. Okay, so here Zp is the, suppose we can say Zp, so how to solve this problem is Zp is equal to XL1 in parallel with R1. So from that V out is equal to I1 into Zp. So I current is flowing into the loop, so I into Zp. XL parallel with R1 is your Zp. XL is nothing but 2 pi FL. So inductive reactance is directly proportional to the frequency. So XL is a frequency sensitive element. It is a frequency dependent. XL is increasing or decreasing depends on the frequency. So for that you are considering different cases. At f equal to 0 means DC condition, DC frequency. At f equal to 0, XL equal to 0. So here output V0 equal to I1 into 0 parallel with R1, that is 0. For low frequencies, f equal to low, XL equal to low. So for very small frequencies, the XL connected in parallel with R1 is also the two combinations. The smaller combination of a smaller is smaller than the small. So V0 is also 0. For larger values of f, XL is also increasing. So V0 equal to XL value is more. So approximately it is R1. So output will be appeared. But high frequencies you will get a output. For at 0 frequencies, at low frequencies, the DC component is not passed, the output will not be appeared. So here for this case it allows only high frequencies, it does not passes 0 and low frequencies. Okay, so because depending on these conditions, so V0 is nothing but it allows only higher frequencies. So the right answer for this question is high pass filter. Okay, thank you.